my name is Defi from Sekolah Kikal Cilanda. Today's video will explain how to make affordable eco-friendly soap, especially for dishwashing, using only 4 ingredients. The reason why I chose to make eco-friendly soap is to decrease the amount of chemical waste from commercial domestic household soap. According to my research, soap contributes to polluting Jakarta's river due to the large amount of non-environmental ingredients. However, it also needs to be acknowledged that sanitization is still needed in the same amount or even more during the pandemic. Thus, a dishwashing soap that has the same amount of sanitization without using any harmful chemicals is needed. From the research, it is found that there are 4 main ingredients that are environmentally friendly and have the same amount of sanitization. The 4 ingredients are lemon, soap nut, salt, and vinegar. As the main components, lemon has a citric acid that has the ability to remove hard water deposits or stains. On top of that, lemon gives a good smell. Evidence also shows that lemon has antibacterial qualities that get rid of the unwanted bacteria. The second ingredient, soap nut, is a great alternative to strong chemical cleaners and also has antimicrobial organisms like bacteria, fungi, and viruses. It is gentle on the skin and also could be an all-purpose cleaner. Last but not least, salt and vinegar are known to absorb grease stains from pans and other cooking utensils. Salt and vinegar are able to scrape away the food stains from unwanted deposits because of the individual grains of salt have sharp edges, similarly like sandpaper. If all the ingredients are mixed together, they will create an eco-friendly dishwashing soap that has good sanitization capabilities. I'm going to show you how I make mine. The steps to make the eco-friendly dishwashing soap is first, you need 8 till 10 soap nuts and you need to soak it overnight for 2 days. Then, you need to cut the lemon into blendable pieces. Step 3 is pour the soap nut and the lemon into a pot and boil until the lemon and the soap nut are soft and malleable.
Five minutes later.
Separate the seeds of the soap nut with the soap nut. The lemon is more tender and has less water. And now we need to wait for it to cool down for a few minutes. Now we need to separate the lemon and the soap nut from the water and blend it until a smooth paste. After you blend the soap nut and lemon until a smooth paste, you want to strain it until there's no small bits and pieces. You want to add water to this so then you can strain it later on. I should use a spoon so it's easier. You want to strain this so it's a smooth paste, so there's no tiny bits of soap nut or lemon. After you strain the pieces, you will be left with a smooth and consistent paste like this. It shouldn't be very liquidy. It should just be like in the middle. So this is the waste, and we have zero waste. So after this, you can use this for cleaning, or you can use this as fertilizer for your plants and flowers. So before we boil this again, you want to add 1/4 cup or around 60 grams of salt and vinegar. After you add the salt and vinegar, you want to boil it down until there is no more salt and vinegar left. Maybe you can boil it for about 6 to 5 minutes. Once it has cooled down, you can put it in a container or bottle or anything you prefer. And for this, I'm going to be using a bottle and pouring it with a funnel. Thank you for watching. I hope you've learned how to make eco-friendly dishwashing soap using only 4 ingredients with this. And for keeping this, you don't need to put it in the fridge or anywhere because it already has been preserved by the salt and vinegar. Thank you. Bye.